My name is Gabby. Welcome to Gadgets with Gabby. Ever wished you could have a dishwasher in your small apartment? Meet the Bob Mini. Renters know the struggle, limited space, and no room for bulky appliances. That's where Bob Mini comes in. Small, smart, and powerful.
Bob Mini saves 80% of water compared to hand washing.
Perfect for renters, students, or small families. It's compact, efficient, and fits right into your lifestyle. And the Posit Reviews and Web Ovation smells really fine in and user testovian. One of the most loved gadgets. Want a cleaner kitchen and more time for yourself? Check out the Bob Mini below and don't forget to subscribe.